Welcome back to episode 6. Today, let's see what we have in store. Oh man, that already just looks beautiful, right? WarHawk Platinum Special Edition RAM right here. What?
WarHawk.
Isn't that what I said?
Yeah.
Wait, what? First, I'm going to make this little incision right here. Now I cannot wait to pop this sucker in. It's going to be good. And don't forget to wear protective gloves when you're opening anything for your computer. Because again, the oils from your fingers will get on the discs and ruin them.
Ruin the WarHawk.
Yeah. Oh yeah. It's getting good. If all you guys out there can only just smell this, this is fantastic. Probably the best RAM that you can get too. It's the best one out there. Just trust me. Trust me. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing of the WarHawk.